Hello everyone, welcome to Podgrads. And today in this session, we'll discuss the topic Python packages. Starting with the slide presentation, we'll see how we can use different Python packages, and also we'll see the implementation part in the next part of the session. Now, starting with the definition, packages are a way of structuring Python module namespace by using dotted module name. So we can also define it as an organizing and reusing your code, which is made easy. They help organize and group related modules, making code more manageable and reusable. Now, a package is a way to organize related Python modules. That is a Python file, and we can just say that it is just a folder with a special file called underscore underscore init underscore underscore dot py. So packages help keep code clean, organized, and reusable. Now, why use packages? It organizes the large code bases. It can be used to reuse, or reuse of code is done very easily. It will help with avoiding the name conflict and use of third-party tools like Pandas, NumPy. So that's the use cases of using the Python packages. Now, using packages, the import system. The import system is the primary way to access modules and their functionality within a package. You can import specific models from a package or the entire package itself. So importing building packages, where we can suppose for we have to do something like mathematical operation. We need to import math. Then suppose I want to find suppose square root of any number. So I will just import math, and then I will say print math dot square root of the number which I want, suppose 16, and the output will be given as 4. Now we can also import specific functions like suppose from math I want to import pi and I want to print the pi. I want to find the value of pi, which will give like 3.14, 3.1415 something. So that is the important importing specific function. And we can also rename an import. Suppose I want to import numpy, so I'll just mention import numpy as np, and then I can use np to print. Suppose I want to print an array, so I'll just print np dot array. I mention the list of number. We can also rename. Similarly, we can do for pandas also. Import pandas SPD. You guys may have seen this code much times before. So that is also the one way of renaming an import. Now, next is finding external packages. The Python package index UI file is the official third-party software repository for Python, and pip is the standard package installer for Python. You should download and manage packages for Python. So whenever we need to install the external packages, suppose I want to import, I want to use the pandas library. So first of all, what I'll do, exclamatory mark pip install pandas. Pip is used as the standard package installer for Python, and external packages are extra tools which are made by others. You can find them on the Python packaging index. That is the PyCI, right? That is a Python package index. And the popular examples are like request for HTTP, Panda for data, or the Matplotlib for graph. Now, installing these packages with pip is the Python tool to install packages. So you guys may have seen many times that pip install request, pip install upgrade pandas, or pip install uninstall matplotlib. So that is the way of installing external packages. Now next is creating your own Python packages. So directory containing Python modules and a special init.py file is recognized as a package, and creating packages allows for better code organization, easier distribution, and collaboration on larger projects. So while creating your own Python package, suppose I'll mention some steps like first of all we need to create a folder and it becomes a package. Then we'll add init this file, and it can be empty also, can mention it as empty. Then add your .py file or the modules inside the folder and use import to use them in your own code. So in this way we can use the or create our own Python packages. Now you can also share your package first of all. So make a setup.py file and upload to Python package file, and others can install it just using the pip install and your packaging. So we can also share your package also. Now regarding the summary, so what we have learned up till now. So Python package is a collection of Python modules, and it helps to organize and reuse code. You can install thousands of packages using pip, and you can even build your own packages and share them. So that is the overall overview of the Python packages. And in the next part of the session, we will see the implementation part of the Python packages. So let's meet you there. Okay.